I'm definitely gonna keep this red dress. This is a bathing suit cover. I love this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Veronica, and today we're gonna be organizing my closet space, my drawers, everything you can think of, donating, Poshmarking, and all that. So if you guys are interested in heading over to my Poshmark, I'm gonna put that link right in the description or in the comments below. And make sure you guys go check that out because I put a ton of stuff on there. And I'm gonna continue to post everything until I get through everything. So yeah, enjoy the video, and I'll check you guys out later. Bye! This is my closet. I have two closets. The other closet holds my EmpowerMerced.com stuff. Check it out, it's my store. But yeah. Look at all this shit, okay? I don't wear half of this shit. I don't know if that's just because I don't have places to go or be. Yeah, this is a problem. And it's not my best problem because I don't wear any of this shit. I took a shower. I put the AC on. And we're just going to what I like, what doesn't fit, maybe I should sell, things like that. Yeah, I really need to get this together. So being said, let's go. Okay, so this is definitely a better angle for this video, so we're just gonna keep going. I do have this shirt here from Shein. I always wear this shirt. It's just a perfect shirt to pair up with high-waisted jeans. This is from Cider. I really did love this dress, but it'll be on Poshmark. Rainbows. It was like 12 bucks. I'm gonna keep this because I know it fits. From Amazon. I actually really like this dress, so I'm gonna keep it, and it's perfect for fall. This is cute. It has ridges on it. It's a 3XL stretchy. I think I should keep this too for fall. Okay, yeah, this is a black skirt. I'm gonna keep this. It's giving crop with denim. I really like this style, so I'm gonna definitely keep it. Crop top from Shein. Clearly have not worn this, so I really do like that. I wore this dress once. I'm gonna put it on Poshmark. Really do like it. I'm gonna keep it. I wore it once. I do have this dress as well. I'm gonna keep it. It feels good on the body, so definitely gonna keep that. I'm gonna put this one on Poshmark. There's a cowl neckline and little ruffles at the end. This is perfect for date night, so I'm definitely gonna keep this red dress. The dresses, we have this one from Pretty Little Thing. I only worn once for a picture, but I really do like this dress. So I've had this shirt forever. I can't tell you if I've worn this at all. If I have, it was probably one time. I have these blue pants, so we're gonna sell them on Poshmark. This is from Cider as well. I didn't know this was even a matching set on Cider. It's inside out, but this is a really cute top. Poshmark can have it. This is truly my style. Like, this is me all the way, 100%. I love shit like this. Mesh detailing, lace detailing, stuff like this is me. I purchased it. I really want to keep this though because it's from Kelly B. I really want to keep this. So this top here, one of my faves, super cute bunch top. That's really cute. So absolutely keeping. This is cute though. It's like a little cheetah skirt and a keyhole, like cropped situation. I really like this skirt. I'm gonna keep it. Like, this is so me. I'm keeping this. It's a bodysuit. It has like floral printing, soft fabric on me. I'm keeping it. This is from G by Guess. I wore this for my graduation, my college graduation. I am going to toss it. Yeah, it's gonna go. This top, twice, blue, and I have it in this color. Clearly my favorite top, but so this is kind of what everything's looking like. It's primarily two slots really of clothes left out of everything that was full. So that pile at a Poshmark is gonna be like super big. And then I have up here these buckets of just like clothing. Thankfully there's like a donation box next to my house, so like we'll be good. But I'm just gonna be here folding everything, so if you guys want to stick around for that, please do. Like whatever is cool. So yeah, that is it for my purge and the closet. Now let's get into these boxes so that we can have everything neat and clean. Okay, you guys, so this is the closet. I'm really excited about it. Very clean, very organized. As you can see, we have a lot of what is that called? Hangers from what we removed from the closet today. So I'm very excited about the progression that I've made. In this corner in particular, we have our skirts, we have long sleeves or crop top long sleeves, we have tanks, and also some like everyday cute little tops that we can wear, some short sleeve dresses, long sleeve dresses, and then some spaghetti strap and tank dresses. We have one matching set that I kept, which is like a jogger set with the matching pants and velour, an interview outfit that I have here, so I'm gonna keep that probably for a while. We have this matching set here. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep it, but like it's a vibe. And then in this corner here are all like fall stuff that I have, so that's pretty cool. At the bottom, this is what I'm gonna organize next. This box is my shipment box for my brand. This is where I keep it primarily for now. I don't know where else to bring it or put it, so I'm probably just gonna go and seep through that and just like make sure that it's organized and good to go for shipment purposes. And then over here is my bathing suit drawer that I definitely need to go through because guys, I just have too much. So I'm probably gonna put some of this stuff on what is it called? Poshmark as well. So make sure you guys check that out. So we're gonna clean this out now. Everything else is pretty much good. All right, so over here I do have my donation pile that I'm going to bring to the bin today. I have some laundry that I'm gonna put in my laundry basket to add to the laundry that I might do later. And then over here is a pile of clothes that I'm gonna start putting on Poshmark later on today. So that is a complete vibe and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, pretty much I'm feeling really good about the organization of my drawers right now, or my closet space. I'm gonna do the swimsuit pile now and we can go through what I'm going to put on Poshmark as well as probably toss, because we do need to make some space. I also do have a lot of shapewear on there in that box as well. So we're gonna get going. We're gonna definitely do that. And then I'm going to just fix up my other drawers. Those will be really quick. I don't think I have to share that with you guys because I just need to switch them out. So the pajamas go over there, joggers over here, things like that, so that we feel very neat and clean. So yeah, let's get to the bathing suit box and let's see what I have, because some of them I've only worn once, only did reviews on. Girl, it's like jackpot in there. So let's do it. Bring it over to the living room so I can sit down because I've been standing for the past 2 hours and I'm just like, girl, you're home, sit down. All right. Okay, so basically I'm organized and all of the Shein stuff, anything that I really don't want is in a pile going to Poshmark. bada bing, bada boom. But I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, let's go through this. So we have black bottoms. These bottoms are actually cute. Really do like these. Willow is always gonna be in the way, so this is from Adore Me. This one's super cute. I wore this like last year, so I'm gonna keep that because I like the cheetah print. I also do have this one from Walmart. I'm assuming this is like leopard. I really do like the cuts in this one. This is probably the only one from Walmart that I kept when I did my reviews. Girl, I don't even know how it goes, but I really do like this one. So, and it still has a tag on it. So that's gonna go in the box. This is, I have 2 of these in 2 different sizes. This is a 3X. The other one is a 2X. Like whatever. I just need to go on a vacation, y'all. This is for vacation. I do have like this lemonade styled swimsuit. It's in a 2X. So I'm just gonna put that in my 2X pile. I don't know why I have 2X, but primarily for like future reference, I guess. I do have this one. This one came out this year. I do like this one, so I'm gonna do that one there. This one too, I can't wait to wear this out. I need to be on a yacht. I love this one. This one is like a mint styled one. Like this one too. I love it because like going through the boxes and seeing like what I really do want has literally cut this box in more than half. And then I have my shapewear over here. Some of it I'm keeping, some of it I'm gonna put on Poshmark because I never wore it. And those were like gifted stuff. This is the other one in the size 2X. So I'm gonna definitely keep that. I love anything Adore Me, honestly, whatever. I do because they all fit so good. I don't really care for this one, but I feel like it'll be a moment. It can be. I love a good solid one-piece bathing suit, honestly. So yeah, this is like a picnic one. This is really cute on the body, so I'm gonna definitely keep that one. This is a bathing suit cover. I love this cover. It's from Shein. Love, love, love. Smells like the ocean. I did wash it, but you know that wad, like that smell that stays? I think it's the suntan. Yeah. This is my favorite swimsuit. I have it in 2 different sizes because I ended up getting the wrong top size each time. So I have the matching bottom somewhere. I know it's somewhere with the matching top. So I have a 2X bottom, smaller top, 3X bottom, bigger top. Don't ask me why I do that. Hey, but she's just preparing. She is preparing for when she gets to where she wants to be. Polka dot bikini. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. We're gonna keep it. This makes me feel so much better about keeping my swimsuits because I took out all the ones I don't want. So I'm really happy, actually, very happy. And surprisingly, I don't have too many black swimsuits at all. I have 2. I thought I would have had more black swimsuits, but I only have 2. So convenient. I'm at this point just finding the matching set. If I don't have it, it's going, but I have them, so we're keeping. And I have 2 black, 1 white, 2 cheetah prints in different styles, lots of floral print, and I'm done. That's all I'm keeping. I do have this one. I don't know if I really, if I want to keep it. Don't I have this in another style? I'll keep it just in case. Maybe somebody else, like, I know will need it, you know? So that's it. That's all I'm keeping. All right, y'all, so I'm finally done cleaning. I'm so happy. All my drawers are super neat, folded and clean. So you know your girl is super hype. We have the pile here, so it will be on it will be on Poshmark soon for you guys to purchase and buy and all that jazz. If you know, you know. My closet feels phenomenal. I did go ahead and put my bags in donations, so I actually feel like really good about it all. Like, I just feel amazing with how my closet is, amazing with how the bucket is, very organized. Only the bathing suits I'm gonna wear. It feels good, y'all. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stick around, subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz. You know the deal, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye.